In this video, I'll talk about how you can get the best deal on YouTube TV. Now, in here I'll show you 4 methods, and the first one is a new subscriber promo code. For most, if you go to and sign up, you'll get a free promo code, or you can just Google it for new subscribers, and then you will get a promo code. Now, the other one is you want to check for seasonal promotions, so this can be during Christmas, during Easter, during Black Friday, stuff like that. Usually they're going to have promo codes. Now the third one is you can bundle it with internet services. This can be your internet provider or sometimes even your phone provider will have, like, if you sign up with them, you'll also get YouTube TV for free or stuff like that. And the last one is a free trial. Now, sometimes, I'm not sure if it is right now, but most of the time you can get a free trial on YouTube TV. So that is something you might want to do. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.